Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Daily. Today, I will be showing you how to borrow money from Cash App. If you need a quick loan, Cash App's borrowing feature can help, but it is important to know how to use it correctly. Start by opening the Cash App on your mobile device and logging in. Ensure that your account is set up and verified to access borrowing features. Now tap on the banking tab and look for the borrow option. If this option is not available, you may not be eligible to borrow funds. Eligibility depends on your account history and other factors. If the borrow option is available, select it to view the loan amounts you can request. Choose the amount you need and follow the on-screen instructions to apply. You may need to provide home some additional information for approval. Now carefully review the loan terms and conditions, including repayment schedules and interest rates. Make sure you understand the terms before finalizing your loan application. And once approved, the funds will be transferred to your GCash app account. You can use them as needed and make sure to repay the loan according to the schedule to avoid any penalties. And that is how you borrow money from cash application. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.